Wells Fargo One Key Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how much control this card offers for everyday spending. Most people get it wrong by thinking it's just another bank card. But the surprising truth is that the Wells Fargo One Key Card offers cashback, mobile integration, and account management tools that make it practical for regular use. You earn rewards on everyday purchases, with higher percentages in rotating or personalized categories. Rewards can be redeemed for statement credits, gift cards, or through Wells Fargo's mobile app for maximum convenience. Additional features include mobile alerts, spending trackers, and zero liability for unauthorized transactions. The card integrates with Wells Fargo accounts, simplifying budgeting and payments. The downside? The rotating category rewards require attention to maximize benefits, and it may not offer the highest flat rate cashback compared to competitors. Verdict: worth it for regular Wells Fargo customers who want flexibility and mobile management. Leave it if you rarely use Wells Fargo or want premium travel rewards.